Everyone thinks the best-selling telescopic fishing rods are automatically the best. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Placino Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. Priced at just $29.74, this caught my eye because of its lightweight design and solid materials. If you want a dependable and portable fishing setup, this is worth a serious look. What sets this combo apart is its 100% carbon fiber construction, which means it's both sturdy and flexible. The 5.91-foot length is ideal for various fishing techniques, and the medium power rating ensures you can catch bass and trout with much hassle. Plus, it's designed to be corrosion resistant, making it perfect for both saltwater and freshwater fishing. With over 2,000 units sold in just the last month, people are clearly excited about it. Now, some users did mention that it comes without lures and line, which can be a bit of a letdown if you're just starting out. Here's the thing though, if you already have your gear or don't mind picking up a few essentials, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a starter kit that won't break the bank but still delivers quality. Skip this one if you want a fully equipped kit right out of the box. For the price, it's a solid investment for casual fishing trips. Now, if the lack of accessories in the Placino combo bothered you, this next one might be your ideal choice.
Product number 2, Placino Full Kit Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. Another Placino option, the Full Kit Fishing Rod and Reel Combo, priced at $41.47. What grabbed my attention here is the included carrier case and all the accessories. If you're a beginner, this is definitely worth a serious look. This kit comes with everything you need, including lures, hooks, and even fishing line. The 8.86-foot rod is made of high-density 24-ton carbon fiber, giving you both power and elasticity. With 12+1 shielded bearings, the reel operates smoothly, allowing for impressive casting distance and accuracy. Reviews show that this has become a favorite among novices, with over 2,000 units sold recently. However, I found that the weight of 1.2 pounds can feel a bit heavy during long fishing sessions, but honestly, if you prioritize having all your gear in one place, it's still manageable and worth it for the convenience. This is perfect for you if you're just starting and want an all-in-one solution. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter rod or already have your gear. For what you get, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a lightweight setup.
Product number 3, MNCIRS ETO Fishing Pole Combo. The MNCIRS ETO Fishing Pole Combo, which includes 2 telescopic rods and 2 reels. I was intrigued by the idea of a complete set for this price, and it might just be what you're looking for. This combo features 2 rods, each 6.8 feet long, made from durable nylon. It's lightweight but still sturdy enough for bass fishing. The folding reels are designed for comfort and are user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners. The carrying bag ensures all your gear is organized and easy to transport. And with over 1,000 units sold in the last month, this kit is clearly gaining popularity. The downside, some users found the guides on the rods can feel flimsy. But here's the thing, for casual fishing and at this price point, they get the job done without breaking the bank. This is great for you if you want a complete kit to share with a friend or family member. Skip this one if you prefer a more rugged setup or fish in tougher environments. Overall, it's a good deal for what you get. Now, if the flimsiness of the guides turns you off, the next product might just fit your needs perfectly.
Product number 4, Mini Stream Fishing Pole Combo Set. Priced at $49.99. This caught my eye due to the quality materials and the included lures. If you want a reliable setup that covers all your fishing needs, this is definitely worth considering. The set includes 2 6.89-foot carbon fiber rods, which are lightweight yet incredibly durable. Each rod comes with a DM3000 spinning reel, designed with a comfortable grip and a folding handle for easy storage. Plus, it includes various lures, making it an all-in-one package for fishing enthusiasts. The materials used are high quality, which is reflected in its 600+ sales just this past month. However, some reviewers mention that the rods may feel a bit stiff for lighter catches, but I'll be real with you, if you're targeting larger fish, this stiffness can actually work in your favor.
This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive kit that's ready to go right out of the box. Skip this if you primarily fish for smaller species. For the quality and included accessories, it's a solid investment. Now, if the stiffness of the rods doesn't suit you, the final product on our list offers a different approach.
Product number 5, Placino Lightweight Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. We have the Placino Lightweight Fishing Rod and Reel Combo at just $28.04. This caught my attention due to its portability and ease of use. If you're looking for something simple to take on trips, this is worth a serious look. This 5.9 1-foot rod comes with a lightweight design at only 267 grams, making it super easy to carry. Constructed with high-density carbon fiber, it's designed for durability and flexibility. The stainless steel guides ensure smooth casting, and the HA3000 reel has a gear ratio of 5.2 to 1, making it efficient for reeling in your catch. With over 400 units sold recently, it's clearly appealing to many. However, it's worth noting that this combo doesn't come with lures or line, which can be a downside for some. But honestly, if you already have a setup or prefer customizing your gear, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you value portability and simplicity in your fishing gear. Skip this one if you need a fully equipped kit right away. For the price, it's a fantastic choice for those spontaneous fishing trips.
We've covered 5 great telescopic fishing rods, each with its strengths. The Placino combos are fantastic for beginners. The MNCI Risetto gives you a complete package, and the mini store ream option excels in quality. Plus, the Placino lightweight rod is perfect for easy transport. Regardless of your choice, there's something for everyone here. Happy fishing!